In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Word and PDF documents into Microsoft Forms. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Microsoft Forms, this guide will help you seamlessly convert your documents into interactive forms or quizzes. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to forms.microsoft.com to get started. This website serves as your main hub for creating and managing Microsoft Forms, a powerful and versatile tool for collecting user responses. Once on the site, take a look at the upper right corner where you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. You'll need to sign in to continue, so make sure you have your Microsoft account credentials ready. Signing in ensures that all your work is saved and accessible across your devices. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, the option you're looking for is Quick Import, located near the top of the screen. Quick Import is a handy feature that allows you to bring your existing documents into the Forms environment, so go ahead and click that. Next, you'll see an Upload from this device option. This is your entryway to uploading the documents you want to convert. Click on it and a file dialog will pop up. From here, you can choose the Word or PDF file stored on your local hard drive that you'd like to import. Ensure that the document you select is the one you want to work with, as it will form the basis of your new form or quiz. After selecting your document, you'll be prompted with an option to convert it into either a form or a quiz. Think about your end goal here, whether you need a straightforward form for gathering information or a quiz for assessing knowledge, and make your selection accordingly. Once the conversion is complete, you can review and edit the output. Microsoft Forms does a great job of transforming your document, but you may want to make adjustments to tailor it to your needs. You can edit the wording, adjust the layout, or add and remove questions as necessary. This is where you can ensure everything looks just right before sharing it with your audience. Your newly converted form or quiz can be easily located under the Recent or My Forms section depending on how you organize your work. Feel free to import more documents if you want to batch your work, or you can dive straight into the details of your converted form. When reviewing your form, keep an eye out for any notifications on the right-hand pane. These can flag potential issues or areas for improvement before you distribute the form to respondents. Once you're satisfied with the final product, it's time to send it out. You can share it with your audience to start gathering valuable responses and insights. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a Word or PDF document into Microsoft Forms. Now you're ready to engage with your audience like never before. Happy form building.